Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you the complete journey of peaches from fresh farms to perfectly canned fruit. Let's begin this amazing process.
Everything starts at carefully maintained peach farms. Only fully ripe peaches are selected. Manual harvesting prevents damage. Each peach is handled with care. Speed is essential to preserve freshness. All right, good. Freshness begins at the farm. Temperature-controlled transport begins. Peaches travel quickly to the factory. Modern logistics ensure timing accuracy. The processing journey starts now. First, peaches are thoroughly washed. Dust and residue are removed. Gentle cleaning protects the skin. Clean fruit moves forward. Smart cameras inspect every peach. Only premium quality continues. Uniform size ensures consistency. Cleanliness is critical. Quality is constantly monitored. Now ready for processing. Steam loosens peach skin naturally. No harsh chemicals used. Pits are removed with precision. Slices move toward blanching. Temperature is controlled. Preparation complete. Blanching locks color and texture. This step preserves freshness. Timing is crucial. Overcooking is avoided. Light syrup is prepared. Perfect sweetness is achieved. Quality checks continue. Syrup is ready. Hygiene is maintained. Canning begins next. Hands are sterilized first. Exact portions are filled. Syrup enhances flavor. Oxygen is eliminated. Cans are sealed tightly. No leaks allowed. Eat ensures safety. Controlled conditions. Shelf-stable product ready. Brand identity added. Traceability ensured. Final inspection. Automation boosts efficiency. Secure packaging. Freshness tracking. Ready for storage. Climate-controlled storage. Stock monitored digitally. Shipping begins. Products leave the factory. Global distribution begins. Quality locked in. Traveling worldwide. Ready for consumers. Pride in quality. Enjoyed at home. Fresh taste preserved. Farm to table. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory journeys.